First of all, this not me. Alright, so we're about to try this Beyond Burger. Y'all can't see my face. I'm about looking my best. But look at her. Doesn't she look cute? And her little curls there. I'm about to try a Beyond Burger. I've heard good things about this burger. Let's see what it's giving. Oh, okay.
I'm here for the giant onion.
Look at this. You can see your whole face in it. Okay. Red onion's a little sloppy, but that pickle I just ate was amazing.
It looks good and fresh.
Let's see what it's giving. Here we go. First of all, this not me. Did I get the right burger? Dang. That right there is good. I could eat that for breakfast with an egg on it. Oh my gosh. I didn't even put no sauce on it. I think it's sriracha ketchup on here. I'm not sure.
Yeah, that was one of the other sauce options.
Vegan cheese, which is always a mystery to me. I don't know what just happened. Neither do they, because they didn't see it because it was off camera. But it was funny. Okay, what kind of burger you got, baby?
This is called a sweet baby. It's buttermilk fried chicken sandwich with pear jam, and it's on like greens and a brioche bun.
Also featuring.
It's like a slightly different version of chicken and waffles, but on a sandwich.
Oh, nice.
It's amazing. Pear jam.
Hello. Ooh. I also have some sweet potato fries I'm over here snacking on. And these right here, get you some. With dipped in this sriracha. Amazing. It looks good. It got onions on it. You know I love some onions. These onions.
I remember.
Oh yeah. This is good. Look at that. Like, if you thought this was meat, like you could fake somebody out. Like, yeah, here's your burger. That's amazing.
They said it was that good, and then the guys who made it were like, they made it with ingredients that would make it look like a little red in the middle when it was cooked on the outside versus being, you know, cooked ground. I think it's like beef or something.
Because I don't eat my burgers when I eat burgers. I don't be eating no burgers no more. I can tell y'all that right now. Damn, RIP burgers. Damn. They just messed me up. Summertime coming, barbecues.
Turkey.
God, look, I gotta bring my own turkey burgers. You know how that go.
Nope.
Every party, they be like, turkey burgers. But I'll bring my own Beyond Burger. And I'll fool all y'all fools. Cause see, Derek Grace, he said something that was really funny today. He was trolling. I love when he trolls because y'all clicking bait, boy. Ooh, boy. But he said he had posted something up about being vegan or vegan life. He was like, y'all out here going in on the vegans or the non-vegan people when y'all won't even get at the oppressor. Y'all y'all out here going off on every black person that done turned vegan, but y'all won't say nothing to your boss. You won't say nothing to them people that's got you. Man, listen, he preached the word.
Y'all got me fucked up.
Y'all got me fucked up. Y'all be spitting to the wrong crowd. That was true. That's absolutely true. People always got something to say about lesbians. Dyke this. All that stupid shit. Y'all worry about the wrong thing.
You wish you had 2 loving mothers. You ain't even got one.
Y'all worry about the wrong thing. But I don't be hearing about no dykes out here. Excuse the term, because I don't really like the word. No lesbian women out here committing these crazy crimes I be hearing about. Not like that. There are a few criminals, I'm sure, and they might be lesbian. But the way people be coming about lesbian women and what they do, what they don't do, what they can do.
I'm pretty sure the lady who beat the brakes off that white man at the crab shack was.
Think she was a little lesbian? Little,
she either
little
that or, she like her hair short.
Nigga posted up a meme. Friend of mine posted up a meme. Said, you could tell when it's a dyke in the room when you moving. Cause here she go. No, dykes always what was it? Dykes always want to be acting like the man until it come time to move, and then they want to pick up a lamp or something. No, put that lamp down, Mom. Pick up this couch or some dumb shit like that. I don't be knowing these memes verbatim. That shit be dumb as hell. But he said that, and I chuckled. I laughed. I said, I'm gonna let you get away with this one, bro, because it don't apply to me for 2 reasons. I'm not a dyke. Plus, when I moved, I've seen men that I've paid to help me pick up more beer. Shut the fuck up. You don't know what you're talking about. And it's just a meme, but I don't like that kind of stuff. Because, I mean, like,
You got me
fucked up. No, everything is not for jokes.
Well, a lot of people were upset about Billy Porter's outfit, talking about how it's just trying to, feminize the black man, the gay black agenda, make all the black men gay so they won't have babies. So
oh my God.
In the black race.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, that's what the gay agenda.
I heard people. I'm not surprised. Like, oh my God, but I'm just like, damn, really? Because he wears a dress. That's where we are.
Yeah, people's going on.
Kaya was going off about it on her live, and they got at her.
Yeah.
Cause who are you?
Like
right, they was coming at her crazy. They was like, cause who are you to say anything about anybody? And who is anybody to say anything about anybody? And I like Kaya. I fucks with her, but some things you just gotta shut up. But again, I have to remember too, the internet is a very unfiltered place. And you got people left and right going to try you. They clout chase. They looking for likes. What he said? LOL don't stand for laughing out loud. LOL stands for living off likes. That was my brother. I can't take credit for that one. That was my brother Ed Lover. Preach the word. But that's it. This burger is amazing. And y'all not gonna watch me eat the rest of it because I probably won't finish it. It's delicious, but I'm full. I ain't even gonna hold you. Want another way? Oh my gosh. Let me dip a little in this sriracha, then that's it. Hold on, I'm not gonna dip it because some might fall. But I will say though, it's packed so well, like it's a burger, like it's a whole burger. This is good stuff. It's good eats. Good eats. And baby over here still smacking on her little waffle burger. Alright, I'm gonna slap on there like this. A little sriracha for the last bite. The last dab. Put a little extra on for the last dab. Who likes sriracha? Who like it hot? Some like it hot. Okay. Here we go. Get down for it. Let's get down for it. I might as well just take the whole thing, right? What I'm gonna do with this? Don't. I see you. Don't try to be persuading me to eat this. It's not enough. I do. I do because you know what? I don't feel guilty about this. This is beautiful. All right, I gotta go. 10 minutes is up. Peace.